Haga jingla kai tat G20 hapeng ka Afghanistan Pyrshah ka West Indies. Haba phai shang na jingla kai ka West Indies kala khor ka nam job. Hadin bagalala ban perlim ka Afghanistan da khat lairons. Bad haga na jingla kai urang ka wang bol jong ka West Indies sprinter uli yo hat-trick. Henry wala ka Afghanistan ka Sharem haga na jingla kai kadang ra ya ka series namar ka job da ar ka way Pyrshah ka West Indies. Haga jingla kai ODI hapeng ka Sri Lanka Pyrshah ka England haga na jingla kai ka Sri Lanka kala khor ka nam job. Hadin bagalala ban perlim ka England da khat kan lairons. Haga jingla kai Australia Open second round hapeng Novak Djokovic Pyrshah ku Francesco aba phai shak na jingla kai Novak Djokovic ula khor ka nam job. Hadin bolala ban perlim sok ya Francesco da laila not kata ada Henry lai Henry ar ban Henry ar. Hagawai par kecing kai hapeng James Duckworth Pyrshah ya Jannik Sinner ubre uladu hausnam paladep. Haga na kecing kai Jannik Sinner ula khor ka nam job hadin bolala ban perlim sok ya James da laila not kata ada Henry way Henry sau ban Henry ar. Haga jingla kai Europa League hapeng ka Braga Pyrshah ka Nottingham Forest aba phai shak na jingla kai ka Braga kala khor ka nam job hadin bagalala ban perlim salit ya ka Nottingham Forest da shigula not baria ka shigul kala yo ban thep Lyngba ka ungul jong ka Nottingham Forest haga menit ka basan peusau. Haga jingla kai hapeng ka Roma Pyrshah ka VfB Stuttgart haga na jingla kai ka Roma kala khor ka nam job hadin bagalala ban perlim ya ka VfB Stuttgart da arla not baria gini ki argol jo ka Roma la yo ban thep Lyngba Pisili haga menit ka basau peu bat kandai peu plus lai. Haga jingla kai hapeng ka Fenerbahce Pyrshah ka Aston Villa haba phai shak na jingla kai ka Aston Villa kala khor ka nam job hadin bagalala ban perlim ya ka Fenerbahce da shigul lanot baria gini ki shigul la yo ban thep Lyngba Sancho haga menit ka ba ar peu san. Hagawai par kecing kai Europa League hapeng ka Young Boys Pyrshah ka Lyon haga na kecing kai ka Lyon kala khor ka nam job hadin bagalala ban perlim ka Young Boys da shikula not baleng ba na kecing job ka Lyon ka bad ya ka kerdan ka beningkong haga mi ya khen point bad ka Aston Villa haga kerdan ka baar haga baga yang kat point bad ka Lyon ka bad ya ka kerdan ka beningkong. Haga jingla kai Santos Trophy final round hapeng ka Odisha Pyrshah ka Meghalaya haba phai shak na kecing kai ka Meghalaya kala khor ka nam job hadin bagalala ban perlim ka Odisha da shikula not baria ka shigul jong ka Meghalaya le ban thep haga menit ka ba ar peulai Lyngba Babysunday marngar
coming into play. Another fruitful long ball down the right. Flag will stay down, but an early cross. A great chance to go for goal, and this must be 1-0. It is 1-0. It is Babysunday who scores the opener. How cool was that goal? Odia's defense was caught napping. They were slow to react to everything there. I thought the cross was played early. A hint of fortune for Meghalaya as well, but nothing fortunate about that finish. That was all skill. The header from Vishal, unfortunately hitting the attacker and coming straight into his path. Babysunday was slipped in, and from that close range he was not missing that in a lifetime.